This is the Eventide MicroPitch Delay, and I'm going to unbox it for you today. All right, so this is the Eventide MicroPitch Delay. We're going to unbox this pedal. Helps me have it get right way up, apparently. There we go. Oh, nice. Got that, whatever that is. Pedal itself. And the swag bag. So we've got, looks like a pick, sticker, some important instruction information. This I think is, I've seen this before. These are, I think, 4 little feet for the pedal itself. All right. In here. Okay, so here's going to be the, those are different adapters for different countries. I think that's Germany right there, or Russia. That's a USB cable. And then the adapter with, yeah, that's the 9-volt adapter, I believe. And then the pedal itself. Tape. All right, well, this is coming with one-sided Slap My Echo, Micro Dream, Choral Whirl, Elevator Delays, I don't have my glasses on, H3000 MicroPitch. So I gather you put the guide on the pedal and you turn the knobs until they line up with the lines. And then you end up with the Slap My Echo setting. And then the same for H3000 MicroPitch, Elevator Delays, Choral Whirl, and Micro Dream. All right, so that's Eventide's. All right, so that's the MicroPitch Delay by Eventide.